Okay, so in this video we are going to look at this question on matrix polynomial. Okay, they're saying given the matrix A and the polynomial P1, polynomial P2, polynomial P3, okay, show that P1A is equals to P2A multiplied by P3A. Okay, so we'll just have to substitute into these polynomials. Okay, we substitute the matrix A. So wherever there's x in these polynomials, we are going to put the matrix A, and then wherever there's a constant like that, a number, okay, a scalar, we are going to say that scalar multiplied by the identity matrix of the same order as the one that we've been given here. So this, for example, 16, okay, becomes 16I, where this I is the identity matrix. Okay, so it will be 16 and then you multiply it by the identity matrix like that. Okay, so let's substitute now. So we have P1A, so it means this guy here becomes A squared minus 16, then we're going to put I. This should be equals to A plus 4I. Okay, and then we're multiplying this with the P3 there, where we have A minus 4I. So this is what we have. Okay, so let's substitute. So the A squared simply means we are multiplying this matrix A by itself. Okay, so we are going to have 3, 1, 2, 1, and then minus the 16I, so minus 16I. This is equals to, and then on the other side, what are we going to have? We're going to have 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 1, and then plus 4. We put the identity matrix here, multiplied by 3, 2, 1, 1, minus 4, and then the identity matrix here. Okay, so let's now multiply whatever we have here. Okay, so this identity matrix here, we can also replace it by the identity. So let's replace it. Okay, so we are going to multiply it by 1, 0, 0, 1, like that. So let's multiply these two matrices here. Okay, so when we multiply those two matrices, what are we going to get? Okay, we are going to get 11, 4, 8, and then 3. Okay, when you multiply these two and then minus 16 multiplied by the identity matrix, we're going to get 16, 0, 0, 16. This should be equals to, okay, so on the other side here we are going to have 3, 2, 1, 1, and then plus, okay, so this 4 multiplied by this identity, we're going to get 4, 0, 0, 4, and then multiplied by, we have 3, 2, 1, 1, okay, plus, and then on the other side there we have minus 4, 0, 0, minus 4. Okay, so let's simplify this to check if the left hand side is actually equals to the what? To the right hand side. Okay, so what is this matrix here minus this? So you subtract entry wise, right? So 11 minus 16, okay, we are going to get a minus 5. 4 minus 0, we are going to get 4. 8 minus 0, we are going to get 8. 3 minus 16, we're going to get minus 13. Okay, so this is equals to, and then let's add this and then multiply it with the addition of that. Okay, so let's add this. So when we add 3 plus 4, we are going to get 7. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 2 plus 0, we're going to get 2. 1 plus 4, we're just going to get 5. Okay, and then we are multiplying this by, let's add these matrices here. So we have 3 plus minus 4, we're going to get minus 1. Okay, and then 1 plus 0, we are going to get 1. 2 plus 0, we are going to get 2. 1 multiplied by minus 4, 1 plus minus 4, we are going to get minus 3. Okay, so let's see if the left hand side there is equal to the right hand side. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to multiply this side here. Okay, this side here. So we are remaining with minus 5 on the left side, 4, 8, minus 13, and then let's multiply the other side. Okay, so 7 multiplied by minus 1, we're going to get minus 7, and then plus 1 multiplied by 2, that will be 2. 7 multiplied by this one, we're going to get 7. 1 multiplied by this 3. Okay, 1 multiplied by that 3, we're going to get what? Okay, we're going to get minus 3. And then 2 multiplied by minus 1, we're going to get minus 2. 5, okay, that will be plus 10. 2 multiplied by 1, we're going to get 2. 5 multiplied by minus 3, we're going to get minus 15. Okay, so we see that what we have here, okay, will simply become whatever we have on the left. So this here will be minus 5. This here will be 8. This here will be 4. And then this here will be what? Minus 13. Okay, minus 13. So we see that what we have on the left hand side, okay, is equal to what we have on the right hand side. Okay, hence we have proved this. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please subscribe and like and share this video if it has been helpful to you.